Hello, this is CGDI official. This is TS01 sensor, a programmable universal TPMS sensor. It covers 98% of vehicles, and supports frequencies of 315 MHz and 433 MHz. This piece of paper is the instruction manual. And the right one is TPMS90, Professional TPMS Diagnostic and Service Tool. We use it to diagnose the vehicle TPMS problems. It also supports programming TS01/TPMS sensors. And activating universal TPMS sensors. This line is an OBD cable. Through it, we can program sensors by OBD. OK.